Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. WazirX hack victims will receive 85% of their portfolio value as recorded on July 18 as the exchange completed its asset rebalancing on Tuesday, with the first round of distribution slated in April. As of Tuesday, users can see both the US dollar and Indian rupee values of assets that were lost in a $230 million hack in July 2024. And the upside from unstolen tokens belonging to individuals have been distributed across all users, allowing for a higher amount to be returned to users. Well, creditors now have until Feb 19 to accept the rebalancing under the current scheme, with a majority vote of 75% required for the plan to move forward. Cardano's ADA token surged 15%, outperforming Bitcoin and Ether after Grayscale Investments applied for the first ever spot ADA ETF in the US. Grayscale, a prominent crypto asset manager, filed to list the first ever spot ETF fund on the New York Stock Exchange. A spot ETF would enable investors to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency without having to own it directly. Bloomberg ETF analysts have tipped a 90% chance that the US securities regulator will approve a spot Litecoin ETF before the end of the year. And Bloomberg's James Safat and Eric Balchunas see its chances of being approved in 2025 as higher than other ETFs currently proposed, including the spot XRP, Solana and DogeCoin ETF, which they see as having a 65%, 70% and 75% chance respectively. So Litecoin, which was created as a faster alternative to Bitcoin in 2011, shares a similar proof-of-work consensus mechanism to Bitcoin. The Solana network continues to generate more revenue rather than Ethereum despite a cooling cryptocurrency market and a slowdown in retail trading activity, according to data from DeFi Llama. While Ethereum's top layer 2s are Arbitrum and Base, with roughly $14 billion and $11.5 billion in TVL, respectively, according to data from L2Beat. And Solana's TVL continues to dramatically lag Ethereum's at $9.5 billion versus nearly $56.8 billion, according to data from DeFi Llama. And the surge in Solana's revenues has largely stemmed from increased meme coin trading, which was the driving force of network's decentralized finance ecosystem in 2024. So according to crypto research firm Messari, Solana's cumulative app revenue increased by 213% in the fourth quarter of 2024, primarily due to meme coin speculation. North Carolina advances its crypto adoption to the NC Digital Assets Investment Act introduction. On February 10, Speaker of the House Destin Hall presented a bill that suggests that the state treasurer should invest public funds into qualified digital assets. The state aims to expand its investment assets through the inclusion of Bitcoin ETPs that maintain a minimum market cap of $750 billion in the previous year. And North Carolina has become one of 20 states that are currently pursuing legislation to support crypto investments. North Dakota stands as one of the states that did not approve these bills, although Arizona and Utah moved forward with them. Klarna Bank AB, a Swedish fintech company popular in Europe, plans to embrace cryptocurrencies on its platform, the firm's chief executive officer, Sebastian, announced in a post on X over the weekend. So Klarna is a popular buy now, pay later app primarily used in Europe. The platform, which is valued at $14.8 billion, according to Investopedia, has over 85 million users and 100 billion of volume, he said. Tokyo-listed mobile game studio Gummy Inc. intends to buy Bitcoin worth 1 billion Japanese yen, around $6.58 million, the company announced on Monday, and Gummy plans to make the purchase in the period between February and May of this year, according to the company's statement. So Gummy said the company expects to earn secondary revenue from staking its surplus Bitcoin funds into Babylon and from validator rewards from the protocol, apart from the profits gained through the increase in Bitcoin's price. Binance and the US SEC have jointly requested the court to pause their legal case for 60 days. The court filing, submitted Monday, stated that the request to stay the case was made with consideration of the SEC's new task force for developing a clear regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. And the filing also noted that at the end of a 60-day period, the parties plan to submit a joint status report that decides whether an extension of the stay is warranted. And originally filed in June 2023, the SEC's complaint against Binance and affiliated entities included 13 charges based on its claim that the exchange operated unregistered exchanges, broker-dealers, and clearing agencies for financial securities. Solana is on track to extend its 4-month run over Ethereum and other smart contract blockchains and the decentralized exchange volume, even as the range-bound crypto market struggles to capture trader enthusiasm. So Solana-based TEXs have posted total trading volume of just over $60 million this month, nearly double the $34 million on Ethereum, the biggest smart contract blockchain according to data source DeFi Llama. So Solana has held its pole position since October. Notably, in January, Solana-based TEXs achieved trading volume of $258 billion, with Ethereum trading at just $86 billion. More than $500 million was lost to meme coin rug pulls and scams in 2024, according to a report by crypto intelligence platform Merkle Science. The most prolific scams involved social engineering, which is a technique that relies on impersonation and also manipulation to gain access to someone's personal data, often in this case celebrities or well-known tech figures. So one of these cases saw scammers compromise French footballer Kylian Mbappe's X account. Once they gained access, a link was posted to a nefarious meme coin, which rose to a $460 million market cap before being rug pulled. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0TV for more such updates and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.